The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is the marque's bold re-entry into hypercar territory, not a gentle evolution of the Chiron but a purposeful new era that swaps turbocharged W16 complexity for a characterful, naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 teamed with electrification, producing roughly 1,800 horsepower in total, about 1,000 horsepower from the combustion V16 and some 800 horsepower from electric motors, and reflecting development help from Cosworth. That new powertrain architecture, an NAV16 plus multiple E motors, a front E-axle with two motors and at least one motor at the rear, is paired to a bespoke carbon composite chassis and advanced aero package that aim to make the Tourbillon both lighter and more dynamically focused than its predecessor. What's new beyond the engine is a complete rethink of Bugatti's technical and design brief. Bugatti says the Tourbillon is the start of a new generation with a focus on purity of engine character married to hybrid performance, limited production numbers to preserve exclusivity, only about 250 road-going examples are planned, and a very high price reflecting that rarity and bespoke craftsmanship. Under the skin, the 8.3 LV16 is reported to rev very high for such a large displacement engine. Engineers have targeted extremely high rev behavior and a light powerplant package, and the hybrid system includes a substantial battery and electric drive capability that also enable limited pure electric driving and adds instantaneous torque for launches and transient performance. Pricing places the Tourbillon squarely in ultra-exclusive territory. Early reports and market conversions peg the base price in the multimillion euro-dollar range, roughly 3.6 to 3.8 million euros, about $3.9 to $4.6 million depending on source and market. And customer deliveries are scheduled to begin with 2026 production units after an extensive testing and validation program that started once the model was unveiled in mid-2024. On the outside, Bugatti leans on dramatic, historically informed proportions reinterpreted for modern aerodynamics, sculpted surfaces, hidden deployable aero elements, and a silhouette that nods to classic Bugatti cues while optimizing downforce and cooling. While the cabin blends ultra-luxury materials and cutting-edge tech, expect crystal-like center console elements, a highly intricate menopart steering assembly, a mix of analog tactile controls and discrete digital displays, and a coach-built level of finish with bespoke trim options for wealthy clients. In short, the Tourbillon trades the Chiron's brute force turbocharger approach for a rarefied mix of analog engine drama and electrified performance, and its natural competitive set includes other halo hypercars and technologic benchmarks such as the Rimac Nevera, Koenigsegg's top-end models, Hennessy's F5, Velocity projects and other limited-run hypercars. But the Tourbillon is positioned as a distinctly Bugatti statement focused on crafted engine sound, exclusivity, and top-tier craftsmanship rather than just raw lap times.